Welcome back. Today we'll be going through a Kubernetes Security Challenge number 4. For this challenge, there are a number of Kubernetes objects created inside the Omega, Citadel, and Eden Prime namespaces. However, several suspicious/abnormal operations have been observed in these namespaces. Inspect the issues in detail by clicking on the icons like this and complete the tasks to security applications. Once done, we should click on the check button, as we did before in the previous security challenge, to validate our work. If you're visiting for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more posts. Keep learning. Let's quick check current Kubernetes cluster status before to start with task. Let's move to /etc/kubernetes/ and create YAML file named audit policy. YAML then creates single rule policy to record events according to question. Refer to blog and Git repo link given in description box for scripts and YAML files. Kube AppServer mainfest and add volumes to any existing volumes. For the audit policy and log, make changes as required in given scenario. Save and exit Vi. Wait for API server to restart. Check Kube AppServer status and ensure it is running.
Let's check in GUI to confirm what we did was being done correctly.
There we go, the icon turned to green, so we can proceed ahead with installing Falco utility and start it as system service. Check which OS relays. Get install Falco. Configure Falco to save event output to given path /opt/Falco. Log. Restart once changes have been made.
Let's check in GUI to confirm what we did was being done correctly.
There we go, the icon turned to green. Dissect API server audit logs and identify user causing abnormal behavior. Save the name of the user, role, and role binding responsible for the event to the file /opt/blacklist_users. We'll inspect the Falco logs and identify the pod that has events generated because of packages being updated on it. Identify the container ID with the help of it. Identify the namespace and pod name. Save the namespace and pod name to file /opt/compromised_pods. Delete the pod that were flagged in the security report file /opt/compromised_pods.
Let's check in GUI to confirm what we did was being done correctly.
Identify and delete the role and role binding, causing the constant deletion and creation of the config maps and pods in this namespace. To validate if a task is complete, you can click on the check button. If complete, the icons in the architecture diagram will be highlighted in green. If something is yet to be completed, it will be highlighted in red. If you have any issue, feel free to connect to me by online support chat on my blog.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Happy learning!